What are you doing?
I'm trying to put together a puzzle.
How is that working out for you?
Great. As soon as I figure out where the first piece goes, I'll almost be done.
Well, good luck with that. I like puzzles that I can solve with my mind. I do not need to move things around in order to enjoy a good puzzle.
I have a puzzle I have been working on. Perhaps you can help.
Sure, I'm really good at puzzles, unlike our friend the arm.
Okay, Pete and Repeat were sitting in a boat. Pete fell out. Who was left?
What is a boat?
A boat is a watercraft of any size designed to float or plane, to work or travel on water.
What is water?
The term water has a lot of uses. I don't really feel like explaining it.
Seriously, the answer is Repeat.
Okay, Pete and Repeat were sitting in a boat. Pete fell out. Who was left?
Could you repeat the question? I'm not sure I understand.
No. The answer is Repeat.
That's what I just said.
No.
Okay, Pete and Repeat were sitting in a boat. Pete fell out. Who was left?
That's a tough one. Could you repeat it again?
I cannot believe this is happening. The answer to the riddle is Repeat.
Yes, repeat the riddle.
No.
Okay, Pete and Repeat were sitting in a boat. Pete fell out. Who was left?
I'm afraid I don't know the answer.
I give up. I feel like I just got dumber.
Would you like to hear the riddle again?
No.
Yes.
Okay, Pete and Repeat were sitting in a boat. Pete fell out. Who was left?
Artificial Stupidity, Scene 14, Take 7.
Do I really have to do this? I don't like to beg.
Just do it.
Fine. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please click on subscribe and give a thumbs up.
What is a thumb?
Edit that moron out. I'm not doing this again. How was that?
Yeah, that's great.